Good morning, children. This is your Sharada ma'am with your spellings for this week. We will do the spellings of page 14. Page 14, the spellings are bear, B-E-A-R, bear. I can see the white polar bear. Which is the polar bear? They are pictures of two bears. The polar bear is the white one, B, B-E-E-B. Look at the two bees. What are the difference? The bees, B-E-E-B, bee is an insect, bee is insect. Beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Poppy looks beautiful today, Poppy looks beautiful today. The opposite of beautiful is ugly, the opposite of beautiful is ugly. Beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle, look at beetle. See, the beetle is that black insect, it is called beetle, it is a type of insect. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, babies can't eat apples because they don't have teeth. Baby can't eat apple because he has no teeth. A baby cannot eat apple. Why? Because it has no teeth. The word because means because of this reason, this work cannot be done. Next, before. Which letter comes before K in the English alphabet? K-L-M. So, which letter comes before L? It is K that comes before L. K comes before L. So, before. The opposite of before is after. What will you do before you go to bed? I will complete my work before I go to bed. So, before, after. Next, begin. Begin. I will begin to do my work just now. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. What time does the film begin? They ask you what time does the film begin? What time? The film begins at 4 o'clock. So, children, these are the spellings of page 14, the alphabet B. I repeat the spellings. The spellings are bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Next, B, B-E-E-B, beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I. F-U-L, B-E-A-U-T-I, beauty, F-U-L, full, beautiful. Beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. Poppy looks beautiful today. Next, because, babies can't eat apple because he has no teeth. The baby cannot eat apple. Why? Because it has no teeth. Begin. B-E-G-I-N, begin. What time will the movie begin? And began, what time the movie began yesterday? Began is the past tense. So, these are the spellings of alphabet B in page 14. Now, we will move to page 5. So, children, these are the spellings. They are very little spelling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You write it in your spelling copy, that is 4-line copy. I told you, learn the spellings. If you have the book, the picture dictionary is fine. If you don't have, no problem. I am sending you the pictures. You see the spelling and learn the spellings and see the pictures as to you will know which word is for which picture is telling you which word. Okay, children, this is it. Now, let's go to the next page. Next page is behind. B-E, see, there is a tree and behind the tree there is, I suppose, a cat. Behind, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Who is behind the tree? That's a question. Who is behind the tree? I think a cat is behind the tree. Belong. Which diary belongs to Veera? This diary belongs to Veera. I should not take the thing which belongs to others. Believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. I believe I will do well. If I study hard, I believe I will do well. I have a belief that if I study hard, I will do well. I have belief in myself. I believe my parents. We believe in you. Everyone believes in each other. Next, below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Who is below Moo? Who is below Moo? Who is sleeping below Moo? So, below. The opposite of below is above. The plane flies above the cloud. Below. The dog is below the bench. Below. Next, belt, B-E-L-T, belt. I have a colorful belt. Belt is the thing which you wear. See the arrow, it is showing you which is the belt. This is the belt. See, an arrow is showing you which is the belt. This is the belt. See, this is belt. This is a belt. So, you wear belt when you wear pants and all, when you have a skirt, this is belt. This is called belt. Okay. Next word is bell. B-E-L-L, bell. See, bell is which word? This is bell. Bell. You can see the bell over here. The bell is ringing. Billy has got a green bell. See, the color of the bell is green. You can see the color of the bell is green. Next, beside. Poppy standing beside Scarecrow. See, beside Scarecrow. This is Poppy. Poppy is a donkey. It is standing beside the Scarecrow. The scare, you see which is the Scarecrow? I'll tell you which is the Scarecrow. This is the Scarecrow. This one is the Scarecrow. Scarecrow. So, where is Poppy standing? Poppy is standing behind the Scarecrow. So, children, these are the spellings that you should keep in mind. You should write it. I am again repeating the spelling in this page. That is, number 1 is behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. Who is behind the tree? A cat is behind the tree. Belong. B-E-L-O-N-G. Belong. This diary belongs to Veera. We should not take the thing that belongs to others. We should use the thing that belongs to us. Next, below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. The opposite of below is above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Who is sleeping below Moo? This is a question. Who is sleeping below Moo? Below Moo, who is sleeping? Next, believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. We believe in you. We have a belief in you. We trust in you. We believe in you. I believe my parents. I believe if I study nicely, I will do well. Next comes belt. B-E-L-T. Belt. Color Lola belt, black and yellow. See, she is wearing a colorful belt. I have a beautiful belt. We wear belt when we wear trousers, or when we wear a skirt, we wear a belt. You, when you wear school uniform, I suppose you also have belt and you have to wear it. Next, bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. See, Billy has got a green bell. See, the bell is ringing. Now the period is over as the bell rang. Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Next, beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. Poppy is standing beside Scarecrow. Where is Poppy standing? Poppy is standing beside Scarecrow. So, children, these are the words which you are supposed to learn, and you have to write it in your spelling copy. If you have the book, fine. If you don't have the book, no problem. You just see the words that I am sending you and see the meaning, see the words, see the picture. You will understand and you read it. This will help you to do nicely, and try to make sentence on your own. Think it and try to make sentence on your own. Okay, children. One more thing that I want to tell you, learn these spellings, write it in your spelling copy. And the thing is, in this pandemic situation, you know what you're supposed to do. I don't have to tell again, or you want me to tell you? Okay, I'm telling you once again. Stay at home, use mask, use sanitizer, wear mask, use sanitizer, maintain social distance. In this pandemic situation, we are not supposed to go out. You have to stay in your house. And we will do the study online. This is a new technology. We are all being aware with it, and we are all doing nicely. You all are doing very well. Just keep in mind and stay nicely. Try to read it on your own and do it nicely by yourself, so that you can learn the spellings. You can use the words when you are talking to your friend. Always make a point to speak in English, because it will help you to do well. So once again, the spellings I am repeating. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-E-B. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. Next. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. Belong. B-E-L-O-N-G. Belong. Believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Belt. B-E-L-T. Belt. Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. And the last word, beside. B-E-S-I-D. So these are the words for this week, and you learn it nicely and write it in your copy. See the pictures, know the words, try to use while making sentence. Practice in your house. When I meet you in the next class, that is in our conversation class, or whenever we meet, I will ask you spellings. You try to tell me the spellings, and also try to make sentence. Okay, children, stay safe, stay nice at home, and listen to your parents, and do online class properly. Wear uniform and do it nicely. Okay, children, till then, bye bye. Meet you later. Bye.